I never know how to start these things. This week on GLTV, nope, that doesn't work either. Hi, welcome back. This week we are going to be making a citrus peel multi-purpose cleaner. This is just a fun way to use kind of your leftover scraps. This is fun to do with your kids. And you know, you minimize food waste, which is always a plus. I like it too. You're getting more bang for your buck. You know, I'm spending, I don't know, $4 on a bag, 3-pound bag of oranges, and then like $3 on my vinegar. And then I can clean. Which, I mean, a lot of cleaners are $5 a piece. I don't know, it's been a minute since I've actually bought cleaner, but you have a cleaner for the sink, you have a cleaner for the counter, you have a cleaner for the toilet, you have a cleaner for the shower, you have a cleaner for the table, you have a cleaner for the chair. You know what I'm saying? Like, that could be a catchy song. Anyway, not everything needs its own cleaner, so this is a really good option. It's just a really good option. It's really simple. All you're gonna do is collect your citrus peels while you use them. So we've been eating oranges, so I put oranges in a mason jar and I just keep it in the fridge, seal the lid. I also have a lime in here. We were making Moscow meals last night, so threw that in there because why not? I also use lemon peels occasionally, so it's just a good way to use them. There's nothing to this, nothing. Just take my distilled white vinegar. I get a gallon size white vinegar from Aldi for like, it's like 3 something. So I'm just gonna fill it up until it's covering the peels. And then I'm gonna cover it. And I'm gonna let it sit for, I'm gonna let it sit for about a week. But you could even let it sit for 2 weeks. But yeah, that's all she wrote. That's all there is to it. Now a lot of it's just patience. It's not very involved. Other than that, after I've let it sit, we'll strain it off and then put it in the container, and then it is ready to go. Ready to go. All right. So I'll let this sit, and I'll see you guys in a week, which will be like 2 seconds in this video. So it's been about a week that I've had my orange peel and 1 lime peel infusing in my vinegar. So the first thing that I have to do now is strain it off, which it's not super fancy. Just grab a bowl, a strainer. If you don't have a strainer, a coffee filter will work, or even like a paper towel will work. It doesn't have to be super fancy. Anything you have will do. It'll do. So I have my liquid. Now I'm going to add it to my container. So I just use this glass container that I got off Thrive. I think it's from Thrive. I prefer glass for my stuff, but honestly, whatever you have works. And then I have a little funnel. If you don't have a funnel, if you're anything like me, it'll end up everywhere. So just adding it to my jar, and then I'm gonna add, so it's a 1-to-1 solution to the vinegar and the water. So like if you use a cup of the vinegar mix, do like a cup of water. Mine isn't perfect proportions because I didn't measure it. So if that matters to you, can. I just do it roughly the same. Is how I make it. This is just because the vinegar is really acidic and you don't want to just use like straight vinegar. And then that's it. you have your own homemade citrus multi-purpose cleaner. This is a cleaner that I would be wary about using on like your stone and your granite countertops, anything like that. I would just use with caution, if maybe not use something else. I use these on my countertops, but I have mine's an epoxy countertop, so it ain't gonna do anything to it. But it's really good to clean bathrooms. It's good to clean like walls. It's gonna smell nice. There's really nothing in this other than orange peels, vinegar, and water. So definitely a better alternative. If you're looking for something to like really disinfect and do a better job of that, I would use hydrogen peroxide. You can just take like a little spray thing, screw it on the top of hydrogen peroxide if you feel like you need to disinfect your house. That would be my choice over like bleach. Because you do need germs. It's important that your immune system is able to get a workout with germs. We don't need to live in a germ-free world. It's important that we don't. So anyway, that is how you make your very own home cleaner. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you guys will go and try to make your own. It's super easy. Most of it was just sitting around waiting for it to infuse, and then now you got your own cleaner. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week.